Good morning, sir. I am James Carl Balatero from base MT1 Canopus. I'm here to explain my answer on CO3 assessment in SIM2 Lec. First, task 1. How to mitigate above damage by outlining the corrective action starting from. So, in order to avoid certain damage of the cargo, I outlined it with a preparation to be followed during loading. So first is we need to have the compartment should be thoroughly cleaned, well aired, ozonized, and if necessary fumigated in order to remove the trace of residual odor. So para ang since we are cargoing a bag of rice, we need to clean the cargo first. So that's necessary to avoid any damage to our cargo residual, para wala ang mga dili madaot ang cargo. So rice are very sensitive, so kailangan well aired, then hinlo jud ang kuan para ang vapor nga katong kuan dili mo kanang ang moisture sa cargo dili madaot. Compartment should be pre-cooled to be specified with temperature. So kailangan ang temperature depende sa unsay cargo. Use a bamboo damage when carrying a bag of grain rice cargo. Bamboo poles are laid on the tank top in 2 layers across one another in a squares or diagonal pattern, 25 to 30 cm each side. So precaution when we are loading the cargo. So avoid damaging or bruising the package. Carefully handling will prevent this. So we need to carefully handle our cargo to avoid damaging it, and check every bag of rice before loading to avoid damaging more rice and prevent inconvenience. So you need to check if all the cargo of the rice, the bag of rice is good and maintained, so that we avoid damages. Special attention must be paid to seeing that all scuppers are clear. So ihawa ta ng mga tunok-tunok kay makasama sa bag of rice. So ventilation requirement: rice cargo bags should be stowed with sufficient longitudinal and transverse ventilation channels. Ventilation channels should be about 20 cm wide. An interlock and cross bag should be placed every 5 cargo tiers or layers, about 4 to 5 meters along each channel. Temperature reading must be taken for each hold and outside control position once per watch. So ventilate the cargo if the dew point of the air outside the hold is lower than inside the hold. Then task 2. Precaution to prevent damaging cargo. Properly check the moisture and temperature of the cargo before loading to prevent cargo hold before loading to prevent the bag of rice for caking, wet rice, and molds. Carefully inspect all cargoes before loading and also check the cargo hold clean from any oil stain before loading the bag of rice to prevent stained bags. Number 3, careful handling of bags during loading to prevent torn bags. That's all, sir. Thank you.